Khalif. I presented 24/7 at Saint Luc last year. My experience at Saint Luc was very interesting. I felt like it was very well organized. Everything was very on point. I really got to see how it would be to be part of that kind of industry. From the experience, I also got other contracts after that, which was a festival, Vue sur la Relève, which was another similar kind of experience. So when I went through that experience of the festival Vue sur la Relève, I felt ready for it because I'd already had that first experience with Saint Luc, which was kind of like the icebreaker between the two worlds of like professional dance and street dance. It forced me to think about what I was doing more. What I brought to the stage for Saint Luc was very much an internal clean out of things that I felt like I needed to express. That made me go through a whole process of like, okay, what emotion do I want to provoke? What relationship am I trying to make with society? Something a little bit more theatrical, using street dance, but a little more theatrical. We have the tendency to think that we need to go towards more contemporary to make it realistic for the stage, but actually I tried to stick as much as I could to street dance, but bring like a contemporary idea to it, more than actually go into the contemporary dance. The street dance scene compared to the professional dance scene, there's huge differences, but also many similarities. I would say the main difference is that we're going through a lot of kind of struggle right now with the street dance scene, that we're not taken seriously by professionals. We commit our whole lives to getting knowledge, to getting education, to going and finding the right resources, to finding all the history, everything like this. This is not considered education. It's always considered as a pastime or a hobby. We want to be professionals about it, and we want to put something that is from the street onto a professional stage. There's so many excellent professional dancers in Montreal and in Canada, but they're not getting the exposure that they could have, and the public would actually really probably want to see, because it's so underground that nobody's taking it and putting it in the light. And I think Saint Luc was great for that.